What's up everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are here, it's because you have seen the headlines and you have heard the name. And now you are wondering who is Cooper Connolly and why is the entire cricket world buzzing about him? Well, that's what we are here to talk about. We are not just recapping the news, we are diving into what this actually means and why it is a huge... Okay, let's get the facts straight. Yesterday in the final ODI against South Africa and Australia, put on a batting masterclass. Travis Head and Mitchell Marsh both hit tons. Cameron Green scored a blistering century and it was a complete demolition. They set a massive target of 431 runs, but the real story isn't the total. It's what happened next. With the South Africa under immense pressure, a 22-year-old left-arm spinner named Cooper Connolly stepped up. And he didn't just bowl well. He ripped through their middle order. 5 wickets for just 22 runs. Absolute sensational, right? Here is my take on why this isn't just a great performance, it's a game changer. Point number 1, the age factor. At 22, he is the youngest Australian to ever take a 5-wicket haul. He beat a record that's been standing since 1987, held by a legend, Craig McDermott. And this isn't just a good day at the office, this is a landmark moment in the Australian cricket. It shows he has the composure and skills far beyond his years. And point number 2, the context of the match. While the win was a consolation for Australia, it was far from meaningless. The team had just lost the series. This was their chance to salvage some pride, and they did it in a brutal, dominant fashion. But while the bats were on fire, it was Connolly who sealed the deal with the ball and making a huge statement to the selectors. Point number 3, and this is the spiciest one, the Bjorn Mulder connection. Now a lot of the talk has been about Connolly heroics, but let's not forget for the other side of the story. Bjorn Mulder from South Africa had a day he had rather forget. He made headlines just a month ago for a record-breaking triple century where he was reportedly told not to go for Brian Lara's elusive 400, and yesterday he went for 93 runs in 7 overs and was one of Connolly's victims. It just goes to show how quickly things can change in this game. One day you are a hero for a selfless act and the next day you are at the center for a historic collapse. So what's my final take on this? Cooper Connolly isn't just a trending topic because of one great game. He is trending because he is a younger player who delivered a performance of historic proportions under pressure, proving that he might just be the next big thing in Australian cricket. This is the kind of star-making moment that careers are built on. Keep his name in your mind because I have a feeling we are going to be talking about him for years to come. And now, what do you guys think about him? Is Cooper Connolly the real deal or was this just a flash in the pan? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and if you want more takes on the latest sports drama and celebrity gossip, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.